Hey there, folks. Welcome to Boost Your Finances, a step-by-step guide. Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Do you dream of achieving financial freedom and security? Well, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving headfirst into 6 essential steps to help you take control of your money and build a brighter future. We're talking about practical, no-nonsense advice you can implement right away. Get ready to ditch those money worries and start building the life you deserve. Let's get started. The first step to fixing your finances is knowing where you stand. That means taking a hard look at your income, expenses, debts, and assets. Don't bury your head in the sand. It's time to face those numbers head on. Start by tracking your income and expenses for a month. Every dollar that comes in, every dollar that goes out. You can use a budgeting app, a spreadsheet, or even a good old-fashioned notebook. The key is to be thorough and honest with yourself. Once you have a clear picture of your cash flow, it's time to create a budget. A budget isn't about restricting yourself. It's about giving every dollar a purpose. Trust me, knowing where your money is going is empowering. Now that you know where your money is going, let's talk about plugging those leaks. It's time to cut down on unnecessary expenses. I'm talking about those sneaky little budget busters that add up over time. Take a hard look at your subscriptions. Do you really need all those streaming services? How about that gym membership you never use? Cut the cord on anything you don't use regularly. Next up, dining out and takeout. I get it, eating out is convenient, but cooking at home is significantly cheaper and healthier. Challenge yourself to eat out less and see the difference it makes in your bank account. All right, let's talk about boosting your income. Remember, it's not just about cutting back, it's about making more money. And in today's world, there are more opportunities than ever before. Consider a side hustle. Can you freelance? Drive for a ride-sharing service? Rent out a spare room on Airbnb? The possibilities are endless. Even a little extra income can make a big difference. Don't be afraid to upgrade your skills. Take online courses, attend workshops, or pursue certifications that can increase your earning potential. Debt is a financial drain, folks. It's time to get rid of it. Start by tackling high-interest debt first, like credit card balances and payday loans. These are costing you a fortune in interest. Consider debt consolidation or refinancing options. Sometimes you can secure a lower interest rate and simplify your payments. But remember, the goal is to pay off debt faster, not accumulate more. Avoid taking on new debt unless absolutely necessary. Saving might seem impossible when you're struggling to make ends meet, but it's crucial for financial security. Start by building an emergency fund. This is your safety net for unexpected expenses like car repairs or medical bills. Aim for 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Once you have a healthy emergency fund, it's time to start investing for the long term. Consider investing in low-cost index funds, mutual funds, or even real estate. Don't forget about retirement. Contribute to your employer-sponsored retirement plan, like a 401k, or open an individual retirement account, an IRA. The sooner you start, the better. Now here's the key to lasting financial success. Discipline. It's about sticking to your budget, avoiding impulse purchases, and making conscious spending choices. Don't let emotions dictate your financial decisions. We've all been there. That urge to buy something we don't need just because we're feeling down or stressed. Never stop learning about personal finance. Read books, listen to podcasts, and take advantage of free resources. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to manage your money wisely. Congratulations! You've taken the first step towards financial freedom by learning these 6 essential steps. Remember, it's a journey, not a race. Be patient with yourself, stay consistent, and celebrate your progress along the way. Would you like help creating a budget or exploring side hustles that fit your skills? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial tips and advice. Together, we can achieve financial peace.